have a goal in mind to be able to cut off that proverbial umbilical cord.
To be able to use more of our own local resources means that we'll be independent.
It drought-proofs the region.
DWP is very proud to be working with WRD on these innovative uses of recycled water. The seawater intrusion barrier is critical to maintaining a sustainable, long-term quality groundwater supply. Eventually, what would happen over time, the salt water will actually start to move in, actually contaminate the groundwater supply. By being able to use recycled water in the seawater intrusion barrier, we can maintain pumping of the local groundwater supplies, and as such, that increases the ability to reduce your dependence on costly water imported from hundreds of miles away. So many benefit from being able to continue to pump and provide drinking water to all of the surrounding communities. WRD has been an excellent customer. We work very well together and have been since 2006, both in implementing the 4,000 acre-feet per year that they're using in the barrier, and we're very excited to be working with WRD to expand that use in the very near future. Thank you, Water Reuse, for your consideration of this award.